Hello everybody. In this video I will give you some hints about Google Classroom and how to use it. First, if you go to the Google itself and then you write Google Classroom, then if you have, this is a platform, if you have an account in Gmail, then you will just join directly. It will ask you to join, then it will give you this window. This window is the beginning of the Google Classroom. If you have enrolled in any classes, it will appear here. Then he asks you to create or join your class. Then you will, from here, then you will create or join a class by click on this one. Yes, of course, you join a class, and then you will write the code for joining this class. You will write the code that's giving to you, and you will then join the class. After that, you will see that you have enrolled in a class that have some posts here to post yourself and write it down, or you add some files, or you will see the posts that your friends or your the administrator of this class or the teacher, for example, have in this class. If there is any work that you have to submit or you give, then you will see it here in the post, everything in the post. For example, here we have this one, this post, the first post and the second post. This one, for example, it will go directly to a place that will ask you to put your work, add or create your work, and then you will have, and here you will read the you make sure that you read all the important notes here. And if I think you should know that you can add some details about your if you want to ask anything. And then you have the ability to add here, add or create any documents. If you add file, for example, from here, then you can add directly a file. Maybe if you have some files uploaded already before, you can add, change or add multiple uploads. After you finish all the uploadment that you think that is all of them, you then make a mark as done, and if you have any problem you will just send it by private comments. Okay, otherwise you can access the classwork or the any assignments that you have by clicking on the classwork here. Then you will see that there is some topics here that you have here. Then this topic, for example, have two main posts that you can submit accordingly, and this one also. So this works, this is like a submitting. This is, I think, this is for the a file that's uploaded before you, then you can download it. Okay, and this is the easy way of working with Classroom. After you finish uploading the assignment or the thing that you done, then you will the assignment will come back to you with some comments on the in this assignment. So with these comments, then you have to reply to it, and maybe returning back again and again until you finish your work according to the rules or the steps that we have here, for example. Okay, so this is a very easy way to communicate and finish some work that you want to upgrade or update or say make some correction and return it back to you, to the administrator or the teacher or who's giving this or using this education system. Okay, I think this is very easy. Thank you for listening.